Here's a look at gold on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we are still looking at a coiling of the price action or consolidation after the big run up, and you can't really see it on this time frame too well, but I'll zoom out so that you can see what I'm talking about. So basically, I'm referring to this big move from back in early December that we had this massive rally, and since then we've kind of been seeing these corrective waves coming into play, and still not out of that overall corrective wave type flow, so or price action flow. So basically, what I'm saying here is I'm expecting a little bit more upside here. Test the 1332.50 area, and then looking for another test of the 1325, 1326 area. See if that area holds as support. It's doubtful. I do expect the prices to break back below that and head back down to around 1318 or so. And you can even throw in a little bit of a trend line here as an area to watch for. So again, that'll coincide with around 1317, 1318. So a little bit of upside, then looking at some potential downside here. Then we could see a bounce from here if 1325, 1326 does hold, and that'll take us back to at least 1338, I would say. And then we would be looking for some more volatility along this end, and then ultimately start trying to climb a little bit higher. So that would be on the back of the dollar weakening from its present levels and failing to, stay above the 90 level. So again, I am expecting near term more dollar weakness, and then possibly, we'll come to that juncture in that wedge. So please do go watch the dollar video as well, where the dollar will end up making a make or break type of a move, and that'll basically let us know when gold is going to start playing along to that end as well. So in the meantime, we're going to see just some nice fluctuations, good for some day trades. Just make sure you are keeping an eye on the dollar as well as the dollar yen pair to see what the overall markets are doing and what they're signaling, and that'll let us know what gold will be doing as well. So again, just keep your eyes on, as I mentioned, the 1332 area, and then from there looking for some more downside here. So in zooming out here with gold, you could see that we are looking at another push to the upside. Makes sense, 1332, and then another push to the downside here. Good break and maybe head back to the 1310s yet again, and then probably another up from there, and then so on and so forth. So the volatility is not over, is what I'm saying here, and the price action still indicates we could see a lot more whipsaw action to come. So make sure you are using your stops and using appropriate risk management as well. Not using too much size and whatnot. So that's basically what I see here for gold. A little bit of upside, then some more downside here to the 1310s possible on the break of the downtrend line here, or failure to hold the 1325, 1326 area. Now, I don't see 1325, 1326 holding as support. I give it a very low probability, maybe a 10-15% chance. Most likely we will be revisiting the 1317, 1318 support level. Another bounce back to test the 1326, 1325 area, and then most likely another move back down to the 1310s or so, and then we'll break the trend line, and then we'll start trying to climb a little bit higher from there. And again, that just coincides with the dollar weakening further. In the event that the dollar strengthens, then we could start talking about a break of the 1310s, heading back down to maybe the 1296 area or even 1291. So we'll have to see how the dollar behaves over the coming sessions, but for right now, near term, expecting a little bit more bullishness here, 1332 to the upside, then test the 1325, 1326, most likely fail that, and then head back down to 1317, 1318. Try another rally to 1325, 1326, and then another failure, and we'll see what happens from there. And most likely looking at a picture where we head back down to around 1310, 1311.